you want a bag. Do I want to walk outside with everybody looking with what I purchased? And watch me over the patio area. I like it. This is how much I love you guys.
I better find your loving.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever. And watch me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
Now my clothes this morning, but guess what? Something decided to catch it, my clothes. So when I'm gonna put no effort in nothing, time is already against me. Who's gonna wear mine? I think I'm gonna change my pants. Make a turn on the iron quick. Make a turn on the iron quick so we can iron out something. So disappointing the fact that the pants that I wanted to wear, it's messed up. Mad. Telling about this year. So would you all believe that that all of the last them at the year bust up? The rest of them rotten. Every single one of them. Every single one. So with this hairstyle being the rubber band method, the ear them I go slowly take them time, loose up and then fall out. So me I have to go either do it back over or watch and see which one I fall out and do it back over based on the ones that are falling out. I'm so disappointed. So disappointed. Can't believe after me spend more than literally more than half of a day. Yeah, I started about after 9 or after 8. No, after 9. And I wasn't finished till after 4. And like a few hours in, the last of them burst right up. Then bust up before I got my bed. Then literally start burst as immediately, basically as I finish my ear. I'm so disappointed. But the last of them rotten. Last of them rotten big time. However, I'm gonna make it stay. I'm gonna watch it. I'm just gonna watch it and see what is what. Might make sure I carry some extra rubber bands for the back piece because the back piece with the part where I'm gonna put across so annoying. Nah, audience, don't put too much tension on it. The only tension I'm gonna make them burst fast. So I'm just gonna put like a little, not a lot of tension on it. This is so annoying. I don't have the time for this crap. I never have the time for nothing. I'm always exact on time. Let me just burst up. I'm literally feel like I wasted my entire time. That's how it feels. I can't tell you, it's so pretty. It is so pretty. Alright people, I'm gonna leave the house now, so I'll talk to you whenever I get the chance to talk to you all. Guys, I am on my way to work. So today's President's Day. It's a holiday that it says on the calendar, but it's not like a federal holiday, I guess. So in terms of no work, not keeping, that's not the situation. The kids do not go to school, but you go to school. So it's called some place call it required work day, some place call it mandatory work day. I don't know if there's another name for it, but it's a required work day. So required work day is that you have to go. I guess only if you're sick and situation happen and you have a sick note, but you have to go. It's not like an optional work day where you can not go and use your time to substitute that day. You understand? So yes, that's the difference. But I'm heading in today. They don't always have sessions on these days, but today they're gonna have like different PDs and different activities and so forth. So that should be fun. Yeah. So that's what's up. But there's nothing else to fill you guys in on for today. If there's anything else, I'll let you all know.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my first love when I went. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby,
Complimentary coffee and some Krispy Kreme donut. Got some snacks. That's complimentary today. Complimentary. It's a good day.
Then dip me underway. You can kill my first love. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Hey guys, I am in Ross and I got this. I saw this. It's on discount now for $10. I am wondering if because it has that little soil right here, but that's the least because that can't probably wipe out or something. I want to change my entry area. I'm slowly working on it. So I have this paint in there that would have put in the bathroom. I replaced the ones for me and kind of make the one in the bathroom for 2-piece. So I have this one here. So I found this one, which is $10 in Ross, because see discount now. And I'm saying I could put this at the entryway and then do the double piece for the bathroom. So that was something I gotta do. I'm not sure yet. I was looking for a carry-on, but this isn't a carry-on. The bathroom section then a home decor, but I was looking at carry-on to the last vlog when I showed me buy one suitcase in a Walmart. That suitcase is too big for the plans that I have coming, so I need to return that suitcase and just get one carry-on because my thoughts and my plans won't accommodate that suitcase. So yep. So I did look one Ross, but this is only one Ross location. They don't have a lot of variety of the suitcases, so I don't know. But why make so dark? Yep. And I need to go to the beauty supply store to get some rubber bands because I'm already down the road, so I need to see what I can get some thing about a lot of decor in here, but I don't have nothing in my house yet where require more decor. So I need to buy those pieces I need to complete the decor from my house. You can buy more stuff. Yeah. So the season now is Easter, so you know them have them Easter bunny decor and look at the little rabbit here. I won't be doing a Easter. I'll just do like a general spring decor. That's it for me. A general basic spring decor. But I'm just showing what I love. Me don't really want it. Oh, I just might want a picture frame. I have a picture that needs a frame, but I don't see any size to match that photo. I think I have an 8 by 11. Oh, let me small. Oh, let me. Pretty small. Here, but I'm not gonna waste your time. Come on, let's see what nails, you know. Yeah. I was looking at these flowers, but this piece, they have it in the white and the gold out there. I like it, but I don't know where I'm gonna put it. That's the thing. I like what I know I'm gonna put it, so yeah. And it's only $15. I need to get my things and get it together so I can finish up my decor. But yeah, I was just saying if the line long, we need to go stay. But see nobody in the line. Nobody, just me going up with this. Cause other than that, we need to stay. Fool me. You guys can see the luggage section is very limited over there. Not much. So I won't get. The question is asked, do you want a bag? Do I want to walk outside with everybody looking with what I purchased? Of course me want one bag. Don't ask if me want bag. Me I buy me no one bag. Of course me want bag. Like what? Them don't have any big bags, so they had to give me 2 bags. Regardless, you still can't see everything. Want me buy? But give me bag. And rubber bands.
Did you want a small bag of them or a tub of them?
It doesn't matter. I'm open to all the options.
The small bags of them are going to be on this podium on both sides, and the tub is going to be towards the right wall before you get to this.
Okay, thank you. So she said towards the right wall. Let's see what we can find. Okay, is it this? Oh, but the tub is just $1.49 for 500. I wonder how much is in the bag. This look really $1.49 for this. Let's see how much is in the bag. The bag might be some cents. So let's see. You know what too? I'm happy I came in here because I was wondering what are the good hair products that I am missing out on that I need for my hair to promote hair growth, especially with perm hair. I use this right here every time I wash or perm my hair. I have the moisturizer, but what else do I need? It says smooth and shine, blow out. What are the good things for the hair? This says cream hydration, co-wash cleansing. I need like some other treatments. Like I don't know what to use. I'm trying to build my hair collection. I saw the castor oil, olive oil, this. I see a lot of people use this, but is it good? Like good? I don't know. Like I don't know. I need something to promote hair growth. You know what I'm gonna buy too? I'm gonna buy a hood dryer to have a hood dryer for myself. This is a condition that I use. The hairdresser in Jamaica use it, so this is why I use it. I bought it to use it. But what are the other? They have a leave-in conditioner. This is a leave-in ultra moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I probably need to get one of these for when I perm my hair. But I'm trying to build my collection to have the good hair items for hair growth and so forth. But I don't know. That's the thing. I don't know what to get. But come for the rubber band. Let's get the rubber band and go home, and then we can look up on all of these. But I'm looking to see so I can build my collection and get the right stuff. Yeah. I came in here and saw the hood dryer. It was $80, but Amazon have the same one, table one for $40. So why would I get this one? The one on the wheel is $200. If we go back on Amazon to see what I can find, because I didn't know it was just a table one for $80. No. I'm gonna have to get the pan one because they don't have it in the bag, and it's $1.49. That's not bad. So this is okay. For $500, I hope they. It says it's supposed to snow Wednesday. I can tell you that I'm looking forward to those snow days. I am looking forward to those snow days. So it says it's supposed to snow. Let's see if it will be snow. Why? Rotten. What am I doing? What am I doing? Oh my god, what am I doing? Tash, what are you doing? You know, sister? You see? When I keep up, when I have me distracted, you know. Now come out of the we go with direction, and we go my direction, and I'm hot, and I focus on the recording. But it said it's supposed to snow, so gosh, you know hot team, and we are burn up. Sun hot, but what I do? You say sun hot? So, yeah, snow in there. I put in an order last night for Shein. I don't know if it's gonna come in time. If you follow with the news, then I don't know why. So much is going on, but I don't know if it's gonna come in time. I'm a risk buying it. Babe was like, it will come out, but it just will take way longer. I'm like, am I gonna waste money? What if the order was just $14 over for sweatshirt, which isn't bad. So I'm gonna love if it come before I come in time. But yeah. So fingers crossed that my Shein order will make it here in time, so I can get to utilize it for the time that I wanted to utilize it for. But yeah, I didn't see any cheap carry-on, and look what I did in a Walmart and was indecisive about if I'm gonna get the carry-on or the 24-inch suitcase, and I took up the 24-inch. Now the 24-inch is too big. I'm gonna carry it back, and I was hoping that Rasta would have some cheaper options, but they don't. So either way, I have to care about the suitcase and buy a Walmart because that's too big. So yeah, head home and see if I can fix the ones that are falling out, because can I tell you, they're about to leave me. If me ever, like, say, you know something, your ear itch, if the ear ever itch, the ear drag off, like it, that embarrass me. I'm so disappointed the fact that I spent hours upon hours trying to get my hair done yesterday for all the rubber bands just to pop up on me and left me a road. So disappointed. And the hair is so nice, you know. And when I woke up this morning, I was like, oh my god, the rubber bands did disappoint me. But yeah, let me see if I can show from the people that don't know what it looks like when the road is salt. When they say they salt the road for the snow. Let me see if I can show them. So if you see the lines on the road, like those white lines treading along, that's the salt. That's the salt on the road. So let's see if we turn it properly and you can see. So those white lines that you see down on the road, where the vehicles pass through it, that's what they call salt. Whoa. Whoa! Jumping out of your wall! So that's the salt on the road. The white lines, that's what them call the salt. So it helps make the snow or ice not stick a lot on the road. But if the snow come in a whole heap of inches, the salt can really help it. So yeah. Responding to a comment that I saw, someone asked, how long have I been driving for? So if you don't know, I came here July. I've been driving in America since last August. So it has not been 1 year, but I've been driving. I have been driving generally for majority of my life. Born and raised in a household where parents have a vehicle. My father teach me to drive from a long time from a pitney. But officially I've been driving since 2000 and which year I teeth up my mother car? Like officially. What year was that when I did teeth up my mother car? And drive it by myself for the first time. 2014. I've been driving by myself as a record since 2012, and I have a license since 2018. So on record, I've been driving for 2018 till now. 8 years on record. But me I drive long time. In a license, in a Jamaica, they always say, "Add a license make you drive. License only make you legal to go up on the road." So coming over here to adapt to the road, I'm telling already. Me's not a Freddy driver. Me's a driver that is up front. Me mean business, so no stop on business. So I get to adapt to the road very easy, and I'm all about being independent. So I'm gonna go. I'm not going to be one of those girlies that come over here and depend on my man for camera boats. I don't know, I'm independent from Jamaica. I have my license from there in Jamaica, so I have my own vehicle from there in Jamaica. That's too much rambling, too much crap. I have my license, I have my car from there in Jamaica, so, and I was at the road, so yeah. Alright guys, so this is a little area. Babe, turn that down a little bit for me. B. This is a little area that I want to work on to see if I can get like I have an idea of how I want of it. Nice entryway, the first entrance, the first part that you come in and you see, and I want it to be really nice. So far little stuff are here, but the main thing I want to be in this area is not here as yet. I haven't purchased it as yet either. I want to have like a table with like the where I don't have to have the shoes put out, and you can see I wanted to have like not a table, a storage cabinet for the area right here. I already have a mirror on the wall. As we come in, we can just put them in it and close it and whatever. But I already have a mirror over here, and I have this space in here that I am going to change out and try to see how this piece that I got for just $10 in Ross will look, because it was a good buy. So I mean, not bad. And then I do have a setup kind of right here already. I'll show you after. What I did not realize is like The wall, you see when you come on to put in your hand on wall, I really do not like that. That's something my mother broke in on me for a long time. It stains the wall. So I didn't even until now, until me turn on the ring light right here. I didn't see how many fingerprints were right here because it's either coming in sometimes, coffee shoes, your brace on the wall and whatever. So a lot of fingerprints are on the wall. So that would be another project to get started out for another time because me personally don't like dirty walls. So we're gonna see how this looks though. Oh, the price before was $15 and then drop it down to $10. So that we got $5. I'm wondering if it's because I have that little mark right here, but this is okay because this can clean out. Yeah, but this piece here, this was the piece that was here, and I have a piece of this in the bathroom. So I had in mind to see if I could replace it and put this here, but honestly, no. It's not giving. Let me see if I can turn it so they can see more. It's not giving. The mark number right here, but that's it now. But this not giving. The black kind of thing, that okay, but I think if it was more like a gold frame around it, it would be fine. So this is not giving, so I'm not gonna keep this because I really want the gold to match in. Because when I get the cabinet, I'm gonna put a lot of gold aesthetics on it, and so this. The what tone this what color this piece they call? What color this? This earth tone not giving at all. So we're gonna put back the piece that was there before. I want to get a piece that has gold and probably black and whatever. So me like the black, but I will keep the black with gold frame line. So we're gonna put back this in now. Let this go and stay there. But let me show you what I have in the corner. I do have that plant on this stand that I bought in Burlington in the corner. I have this in the corner with this flowers on it. So I need a better frame right here, and then I did already have this there a long time. So I want something to replace the shoe stand right there. So yeah, this is a single piece in the bathroom, but I want to make it the double piece, like one, make it 2 frames in here. So yeah. Alright guys, so babe made fried chicken yesterday, and I felt like I want to come home and give it a nice little sauce and not just do the basic fried chicken. So I decided I'm gonna do some garlic. I'm gonna do some garlic, honey garlic. So I have my garlic here. Usually I'm gonna blend out the garlic, but I can't take out the big blender. But just to tell babe, I need to get a miniature blender, or I need to get a Ninja or something quick and easy. And I have a little butter. So it's not a lot. I'm going to use my Scotch bonnet pepper buckle just to beat the garlic a bit. As I said, I'm gonna normally blend it, forget it all minced, and just put a little water in it, but I can't be bothered right now. So I'm going to, I have a little honey in this. I'm going to pour a little bit more in it. And then I'm gonna pour the garlic in there. With a little butter. and put that on the stove and make it cook for a little bit.
Then dip me underway. You can kill me on my first flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby.
I'm going to use this opportunity to, whoa, this is nice. Guys, to take off my wreath off on my door. Christmas gone, February almost finished, and the Christmas wreath is still on the door. Why? I don't know. Never get the time to. So I'm gonna take it off now. I do have my Christmas mat out there, but now I'm gonna take out the mat right now. But the wreath is right near your face and it's still there. So we're going to take off the wreath. We are going to take off the wreath. I could have changed the mat, but I can't bother. I can't bother with that. But all of the ear just itch up. Oh. I don't want to put down the mat as yet because more on get one white thing there to put there. So, well, not white, one black and thing there. The layer, but we'll take up the wreath right now because Christmas past and gone. Why is it still out there? I don't know. So, yes, February I'm taking it down. As I said, the mat out there, I said Merry Christmas, but I don't want to take up it. I don't deal with the mat now because all of this I want to brush up, sweep up and whatever. So that's going to be a whole other time. Just put it to store in this Burlington bag until Christmas come again. Oh my god, did you break off or you hope it didn't break off? No, hopefully not. So I'm gonna try to put it away in a bit. Oh, wow. Oh. So that's that. Hey guys, I'm in Walmart. Got some strawberries, got some bananas, got some oranges, a cucumber, lettuce, broccoli. I just told Babe that we could do the like a different type of pizza stuff, like a stuffing one. So I'm gonna get some more of the pepperoni. This is the pepperoni that he used for the pizza that he made the last time. It's $2.78. You know, that's $3. I was looking to see if they had like anything in turkey. Whoop. Oh my gosh, turkey, that's the one I want. I don't want this one. Which one is this? This is the original. But sometimes them say a turkey and not even turkey. Not even turkey. Why do you keep on a follow? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. We work with that. if you want to get a dessert that is like a yogurt type, you can get these yogurts. They kind of come with like the fruit in the bottom. I had the coconut one the other day. Oh god, I didn't get to try it. I didn't get to try the strawberry one. I only tried the coconut one, but it's like, it's not even expensive. It's $1.57. It's glass. I don't think they have the coconut. The coconut one wasn't bad. I didn't get to try the strawberry, so I'm gonna get by the strawberry. Is this, what flavor is this? Oh, this is the coconut. Never too hot. Let's try the blackberry. Caramel and chocolate. Oh, there is a chocolate banana, but I don't want that. Let's try this one. Blackberry, black cherry. Oh, so cold. Oh, I was wondering if they had only vanilla, but they don't have any vanilla. They have caramel and chocolate. Vanilla and chocolate. Let's have this. I'm doing those 3 flavors. Yeah. Guys, they have some really nice moist croissants here in Walmart, but this expires the 24th, and that is just like Monday, and today's what? Why did it say when it was baked? That's what I was looking for. It's not, when was this baked? Today's what, Tuesday? We can probably take a risk on this. This is not bad. Which croissant is this? Oh, this is cheese croissants. No, let's get the regular one because too much calories, you know. You know what's tea? This Chick-fil-A Polynesian sauce. I was looking for the honey mustard one. I love the honey mustard, but this, recommend it. This is the piece of crust that we got that we get. I'm just gonna buy 3 because every second we want extra. So it's 78 cents for it. So I think that's gonna be it. Yep. Oh, I'm gonna get see how much for the matcha, and that's it.
What the availability is.
Yes.
What floor level do you like?
Second for sure. This is a storage outside on the patio area. This is a very big storage facility. And the patio area, I like it. I could do so much out here. And the French doors. Alright guys, so I just went and looked at the apartment right there, and there are a few likes. Right, me have to look good a while again because the police park right side of me. Right side of me. There's this apartment right there that looks pretty new, but I don't know where was the entrance there. I don't know. I don't know. There are some likes about the apartment, and there's a big but I work with everything else, but this big dislike. I don't like the kitchen. No. The floor plan is okay, but the kitchen. The kitchen ain't giving, honey. Kitchen ain't giving none at all. So, new them left which apartment there for that the kitchen there. Not at all. Kitchen not giving at all. I prefer if I had a choice, our kitchen over there now is big. That kitchen, little. The room there, little too. Room there, little bad. Not turn, little bad. Little. I'm trying to move, but I'm not gonna move from something that I don't like to something that's okay to something that I don't like. Cause me say they have a few likes, but they do have a few dislikes. Have a few likes, but they have a. Cause as I said, I like the layout, but that kitchen ain't giving. So no, but I want to go to somewhere that is modern. I want modern, like modern. That's what I really want. I want a modern space. A space that is very, very modern. I need white or dark cabinets. That's what I need. I'm not going back to any oak cabinets. No oak cabinets. And you know, babe is actually thinking like I am, because last night I was looking at a few places online, and he said to me that I called him and he told me that he went by one of the places where I looked about. He said, no, me don't like down this at all. Him say all clothes hang over, people just dash over clothes over, reeling and What's going on with them cars there? So much police cars. Cause the one day I come, the 2 day I come. What's going on? What's going on? Something I'm down here, sir? Like something down there, so. Cause I wanna fly from over there, so. Hey, the police cars, sometimes you see them, they look like a show. I'm gonna send my movie, I saw they look. Trust me. Yeah, but I'm trying to find white cabinets, or I'm not talk just any white, I'm talk about modern white, nice countertop, because you see, my bar stools, I never carry them back. As you can see, I never carry them back. I'm not carry them back. I never plan. I buy them. I'm like, okay, just keep them, because soon and very soon we're gonna try. And I saw apartments that have the low countertop that I want. So I'm just gonna keep them. Trying to get the low countertops for match them. I need somewhere that's bright and open. You see their French doors? I want an apartment with that French door. Like the French door where them have. I'll go for that French door. Because let me see. The apartment over here, no. Apartment over here and a French door, they have single door, they have, so the lighting kind of limited. Over there, so the French door, it opens a lot of light. So, yep. Oh God, anyways. What are these people doing? Alright, people. We'll talk. Alright guys, so we're gonna make some, what are we gonna make? Stuffed loaf, I guess. Stuffed loaf, babe. Or a loaded loaf or something. So I got some minced it says pork, babe. Minced pork, and I'm going to season it. I'm going to have my parsley. I'm going to season it with my parsley. Salt free, no MSG. Dash. Why do we call it Mrs. Dash? A dash name. No Mr. Lepani. We used to call it Mrs. Dash, not Mr. Lepani.
Maybe around India,
Oh. This is the original Caesar blend. This is the replacement for the ones that we used to use in Jamaica. Put that on it. Add Italian season. This does not have any salt either. As you guys can see, all zeros. This does have some salt. 7% salt. This is the jerk pork. put a little more Jamaican in there, you know? Yeah. It's strong. What's strong for that? The garlic. Yeah, what about that? Of course, we're gonna put a little spice in there. I'm gonna add some chili powder, all the spices, all the seasons. That's I'm gonna put jerk seasoning. I'll put some jerk seasoning Jamaican style. Any notes that's any? Babe? Huh? We're gonna put a little pepper in it. Not a lot. Eh? Black pepper this. And a little salt. We're mixing all the seafood down. Alright guys, so I cut up the seasoning for the mince. So this is like the veggie side of the seasoning. So I'm gonna cook up these and then I put in the mixed beef over here. So I have it all seasoned and all so forth. Alright guys, so this is how we put the minced meat with some, what's that again? Pepperoni. And babe, I'm gonna add the cheese on it. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like when it is closed. This is what it looks like when it is closed. So we're gonna see how it's gonna turn out in the end. And guys, this is how they came out. It was good last night. I really enjoyed mine. So I forgot to show you it last night. So this one, these are the leftovers. We're gonna have these for breakfast. So yeah, but they came out really good, and the fillet inside was really nice, really cheesy. And that's something you can eat all the time, or else it's gonna be a pound a day. But yeah, they came out really good. How much I love you. Hola. This is how much I love you guys. I love you all this much that I came outside where it is snowing for sure. No, and you know me, I show my people that move from the Caribbean, my Jamaican people them mostly, cause yeah. But look, it is snowing. It is snowing. Even the upstairs, eh? A lot of snow. Let's go outside where we can see it more. Fall down on us. So long. You see how much I love you? This is how much I love you guys. Hey, look how onion figure they big. Oh, look here. Look how onion figure they big. Look at onion gloves. What tell you, say? Huh? I watch me through the window. But I can't see him. But watch him. I'm gonna turn on the camera. This is how much we love on the people. I'm gonna turn on the camera, show them what's going on out here. Okay, so the winter storm has finally hit us back again in North Carolina. They say we should get about hold on, 1 to 3 inches of snow. I love. I love. Hi. But I can't see you. No. This is what I came outside to show you guys. So my car over there, so. And it's snow. But I'm going back inside now though. Yeah. Where am I? Babes, I must put up the wiper then because something that we learn, them freeze down. Finger them cold, man. Whoa, they freeze down. Why? Call your piece. I'm gonna put up one for my car. See somebody over there to put up for them. When the ice them freeze down. Put up one for my car. Man, I'm going in right now though, because I don't want to get frostbite. Finger there. So somebody else put up for them. Yeah. No sir. Finger there frozen. Yeah, finger there cold. Over there so pretty man. Okay. Pretty bad. Anyways guys, I'm going back inside because my fingers are numb. They're literally numb at this time. But make end out the vlog. Let's just end out the vlog out here for now. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in another vlog. Until then, it's your girl Tash. I'm a finger them literally done now. So bye.